our next presentation will come from Hiroki Takamoto from Denso and Rieko Takagi from Denso Crate. So they will share their experience to improve automotive software development processing using AI.
I'm very happy to have this opportunity. Today, we'd like to talk about overview of LLM use case in our software development. And as a specific example, we will talk about approach to create traceability report using LLM. First, I'd like to introduce our company. Denso is a Japanese auto parts company. We have the world's number 2 sales revenue among auto parts manufacturers. Our main product include mobility electronics and powertrain system and thermal system. We develop a variety of auto parts, and in addition to hardware, software is also very important for our product. And here I will explain the challenges we are facing in software development. Our CEO has declared that we will double the speed of development by applying specialized AI, which incorporate our knowledge and experience gained through in-vehicle software. As you know, the scale and complexity of automotive software is increasing year by year. So we consider that it is our challenge to develop high-quality software efficiently. In this context, we believe AI is a key to improve our software development process. And here, I will talk about areas where we are currently targeting to use LLM. We divide entire software process into three areas. First area, top left, is requirements analysis and architecture design. We are using LLMs at requirements modeling and requirements inspection and traceability mapping. Finding defects at this early stage can reduce cost of fixing it. So we believe this area is very important. And the second area is software detailed design and unit construction. We are using LLMs at code generation and refactoring. As you know, there are some good existing commercial tools to do this. So we started by making use of them, but we believe there are some domain-specific challenges that existing tools cannot solve. Our third area is software testing. We are using LLMs at test case generation, but honestly, we have not yet fully explored this area. In this way, we are evaluating feasibility of LLM's use case throughout software development. And today, we focus on traceability mapping to explain specific examples of how we use LLM. And from here, we switch speakers.
First, I will talk about traceability in automotive software development. Traceability is important to ensure the consistency between development documents. This is an example of traceability report between specification and unit design. Put the chapter and section of specification in rows and unit design in columns. If they have relevance between them, record the traceability link like this. We can confirm that the content of the specification is accurately reflected in the unit design using by this report. Functional safety standards also require the traceability report throughout the development process. Traceability report is necessary and useful, but it takes a lot of time to establish it manually. Format of traceability and criteria of traceability is common regardless of the products. So if LLM can create traceability, it can be widely applied to various products and has significant impact. These are previous research and support tools related to traceability. Traceability tool is possible to create the document in the development process while maintaining the traceability and outputting traceability report. Traceability tool require the specialized format, but in automotive software development, input documents often provided by OEM and it's not suitable for the tools. We want the traceability report even if input documents are not suitable for the tools. A prompt engineering process aimed at establishing traceability at the keyword level has been proposed. But we need traceability at the chapter level in automotive software development. Therefore, we're trying to study a new method of creating traceability using LLM. I'd like to introduce our approach to create traceability report using LLM. This approach consists of 3 steps. For the first steps, divide the document according to the chapter and sections. For the second step, score the relevance of all pairs of chapters using LLM. Third step, create traceability report for high-scoring chapter pairs as related pairs. I'd like to introduce more detail about second steps on the next slide. This is a prompt to score the relevance of chapter pairs. We use system message and user message. System message is for describe the scoring task. In the first section, we specify the procedure for delivering answers. We adapt metacognitive prompting. In second section, we specify task description. We use this word to prevent hallucination. And instead of just asking whether they are related or not, allow GTP itself to verify the reliability of the answer by scoring the degree of relevance. In last section, we specify output format. We gave one shot for specify it. User message is for describe chapter to be scored to relevance. I'd like to talk about experimental result. We evaluate our approach with the specification and unit design of communication system by using GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. This is an result and distribution of relevance. Both models tend to output degree of relevance around the threshold, and there are many errors around this area. In some cases, GPT-4 provides a degree of relevance corresponding to the context of documents compared to GPT 3.5. We couldn't determine from this result which model is suitable for this method. We will evaluate superiority of the model after improving our method. At the end of my presentation, I'd like to talk about future work and challenge in software development for production. We tried this idea to improve the proposed method and experiment with various products to establish effective prompts and methods across product domains. This challenge will be necessary when applied to software development for production. If the reliability is low, the method will not effectively reduce human errors. Even if we get high performance, explainability must be ensured to use AI in the product development process. Therefore, reliability of traceability reports needs to be ensured. We need support for various file formats, such as Office document and image. Accuracy in pre-processing of documents with various formats is also an issue. We will try to consider these measures. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you very much.